Howdy, I'm Bob Wakefield, and welcome to my super crashy crash course on SQL. Why is it super crashy? Because in a very short amount of time, I'm going to be covering what should be about 8 hours worth of material. We're going to be moving quick. Are you ready? Strap in, hang on, and let's go. I've been in IT for rolling up on 19 years now. I've done practically everything under the sun IT-wise, from running network cable to managing IT projects. For the past 10 years, I've been focusing on business analytics. That's a large topic that covers data management, data engineering, data viz, and data science. Basically, I build systems to help organizations understand their data. I spent 3 years contracting. During this time, I moved from organization to organization building data systems as I went. I felt like data special forces. I'd drop into some random company with no support. I'd do the hard work of creating new things, often working alone as a one-man army. Once the system was created, I'd move on to the next company and leave the boring maintenance work to my clients' full-time employees. I strung so many successful contracts together, I realized I didn't actually need a job and could make a pretty good living contracting. So in 2014, I formed a company called Mass Street Analytics, and here we are. In 2017, I realized that some of the conversations I was having with executives were the same, no matter what industry the client happened to be working in. That's when I got the idea to create an online course. In 2019, I realized I had more than one course in me. As a matter of fact, as of June 2019, I have about 30 classes between my ears. That's when I decided to snap off the training service of my consulting firm into its own brand called Mass Street University. Because managing your data is a universal problem, I've served all kinds of organizations of all sizes in many different industries. This has given me a unique set of expertise that I'm going to be sharing with you across various courses. There are several key elements to Mass Street courses. Our motto is Per Educationem Progressus. That's Latin for advancement comes through education. It serves the foundation for our general order number 1. And that's to give students the skills they need to advance their careers. Our courses are built based on Unix philosophy. Instead of sitting through a really long class that tries to give you everything in one shot, we've built many small courses that you can use as building blocks to create an educational path specific to your needs. As a result, our classes aren't filled with fluff and theory. We only teach you precisely what you need to know to do a job. On top of that, most of the things that we teach are based on practical, real-world experience. I have a large social media presence. Feel free to connect with me on any one of these platforms, especially Twitter. Whenever I learn something new or interesting, I'll share it on my personal Twitter account. Over the years, it's turned into this huge running record of everything that is going on in the world of data. I even use it to look up old information from time to time. When I created my first online course, I knew that the speed at which I talk was going to be a problem. My solution to that problem was to hire a professional voice actor to do my speaking for me. Think of it like an audiobook. The material for this course is authored by me, but someone else will be speaking the actual content. I believe that the material in this course is so valuable that I don't want to have your learning inhibited by my speech impediment. So, this is what we're going to do. For the lecture portion of this course, my voice professional, Tyler Boss, will be teaching the material. As a matter of fact, you're listening to him right now. Hi! When we get to the lab portion of the course, the real Bob will return, and he's awesome. And he'll walk you through the various lab activities.